Morning students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about different punctuations that are used while English writing or English speaking. Punctuation marks are very essential to convey a clear meaning. It allows us to separate sentences, it helps us to show pause and where to place emphasis on particular words. First punctuation is full stop. Full stop is used to show a long pause. When we use it, we want to end a statement or a command. It is denoted by a small dot. Then comes comma. Comma is used to show a very short pause. It helps us to separate words in a sequence, to separate phrases in a sequence, to separate short clauses in a sequence. It helps us to separate the terms used to address someone from rest of the sentence, to separate the date and any word from the following date, to separate words like yes, no, oh, well, etc., to separate expressions which we use to refer any person. For example, our vice chancellor, comma, a highly admirable person, like that. Or to separate question tags from the statement, to separate reported speech from rest part of the sentence. We use comma in those cases. Then comes semicolon. Semicolon is a longer pause than comma but shorter pause than a full stop. For example, children are eager to please the teacher. Semicolon. They have short attention spans. Next, colon. Colon is a longer pause than a semicolon but shorter pause than a full stop. The colon acts as a pause which introduces related information. For example, that is the problem with Surya, colon. He always, comma, makes silly mistake and loses marks. Then question mark. Question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. Who are you? Why are you late? Right, in that case. Then exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used at the end of sentence which shows strong feelings such as happiness, sadness, excitedness, anger or frightened feeling, etc. Then apostrophe. Apostrophe is used whenever we have to form possessives like marriage pen, teachers meeting, etc. To form contractions like I will can be replaced by I apostrophe double L. She is, she apostrophe S. To show duration of time, area or space like 1 month's vacation, month apostrophe S vacation. Then inverted commas. Inverted commas are used to report someone else's speech in exact words. Whatever the person has said, the same things, the same quotations if we have to speak, then we can use inverted commas for that. For example, she said, I am very happy today. I am very happy today is the exact speech of the speaker. If we have to convey the same words, then we will use inverted commas to write them. So this is all about punctuations. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.